Why this Nvidia shareholder isn't losing sleep over DeepSeek AI. No one thought the path to artificial general intelligence, AGI, would be smooth for investors, but the emergence of DeepSeek has clearly thrown a plot twist into the AI narrative.
DeepSeek, NVDA Plunge, shows tech concentration risk in 2025. Ben Emons reviews Monday's market DeepSeek sell-off, saying competition wasn't priced into the U.S. tech companies. You really have to start thinking about diversification this year, he adds, pointing to Nvidia's near $600 billion market cap loss.
Will Nvidia stock hit $140 after CEO Jensen Huang meeting with Trump? The share price of Nvidia, NASDAQ NVDA, had a volatile week, losing key support levels amid a pivotal meeting between the chipmaker's CEO, Jensen Huang, and President Donald Trump at the White House.
Apple, huge winner from DeepSeek Innovations. Apple's integration of efficient AI models into devices could enhance on-device capabilities, reducing reliance on cloud solutions and improving user experience. On-device AI offers financial benefits, cost savings on cloud services, potential new subscription offerings, and bolstered hardware sales through advanced features. Apple's vertical integration and custom silicon design align with AI advancements, positioning it to lead in consumer-focused AI.
Apple stock analysis. Buy or sell. Apple, AAPL minus 0.67%, reported quarterly financial results that pleased stock market investors.
India budget. India axes import tax on some smartphone parts in boost to Apple. Xiaomi India has removed import duties on some components key to producing mobile phones, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced in the annual budget on Saturday, in a boost for local production efforts and benefiting firms such as Apple and Xiaomi.
Meta mulling incorporation shift to Texas. Report Meta is considering whether to move its incorporation to Texas, a U.S. state seen as amenable to companies run by big shareholders like Mark Zuckerberg, the Wall Street Journal reported Friday.
Meta Platforms stock analysis. Buy, hold, or sell. Meta Platforms, Meta 0.32%, reported quarterly financial results, demonstrating continued growth in all the key segments.
Meta's 2025 is off to a frenzied start. Don't expect it to slow down. Meta kicked off 2025 with big changes following a big year for the company. In the first weeks of January, it overhauled its content moderation system, nixed DEI programs, and announced layoffs.
Levi and Korsinsky reminds shareholders of a lead plaintiff deadline of March 10, 2025 in Micron Technology, Inc. lawsuit. MU, New York, New York, ACCS Newswire, February 1, 2025. If you suffered a loss on your Micron Technology, Inc. NASDAQ MU investment and want to learn about a potential recovery under the federal securities laws, follow the link below for more information. https://zlk.com/pljuray-1/micron-technology-inc-lawsuit-submission-form ? PRID equals 126467 and wire equals 1, or contact Joseph E. Levi, Esquire.
Shareholder alert. Pomerantz Law Firm reminds shareholders with losses on their investment in Micron Technology, Inc. of class action lawsuit and upcoming deadlines. MU, New York City, New York, ACCS Newswire, February 1, 2025. Pomerantz LLP announces that a class action lawsuit has been filed against Micron Technology, Inc., Micron or the company, NASDAQ MU, and certain officers. The class action, filed in the United States District Court for the Southern District of Florida and docketed U.
Investor alert. Micron Technology, Inc. is being sued for securities fraud, and affected investors are urged to contact the Shao Law Firm, Los Angeles, California, ACCSS Newswire, February 1, 2025. The Shao Law Firm, a national shareholder rights litigation firm, reminds investors of a class action lawsuit against Micron Technology, Inc., Micron, or the company, NASDAQ MU, for violations of 10B and 20A of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934 and Rule 10b-5 promulgated thereunder by the U.S.
Shareholder alert. Pomerantz Law Firm announces the filing of a class action against DMC Global Inc. and certain officers. Boom, New York, New York, ACCS Newswire, February 1, 2025. Pomerantz LLP announces that a class action lawsuit has been filed against DMC Global Inc., DMC Global, DMC, or the company, NASDAQ Boom, and certain officers. The class action, filed in the United States District Court for the District of Colorado and docketed under 25 CVXXXX, is on behalf of a class concise.
Investor alert. DMC Global Inc. is being sued for securities fraud, and impacted investors are urged to contact the Xiao law firm, Los Angeles, California, ACCS Newswire, February 1, 2025. The Xiao law firm, a national shareholder rights litigation firm, reminds investors of a class action lawsuit against DMC Global Inc., DMC Global, or the company, NASDAQ Boom, for violations of 10b and 20a of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934 and Rule 10b-5, promulgated thereunder by the U.S. Security.
M2I Global CEO talks critical minerals supply chain strategy, in case you missed it. M2I Global, OTC, MTWO CEO. Alberto Rosende talked with Proactive about the company's efforts to secure a resilient supply chain for critical minerals in the United States. He shared insights into how the company is supporting national security and economic growth by creating greater independence from foreign sources.